Hello YouTubers, it's Chris. Well, around here it seems like the dump always giveth, but it never taketh away. Look what I found here. It's kind of an oddball machine. It's a Scotts Lawnmower, gas powered, 6.5 horsepower. Well, I don't know. I guess one of the interesting features here that they're touting is the visible gas level, and I just threw some gas in it. It's filthy. It's missing the cover to this, to the belt drive. We'll fire that up, see how that works in a little bit. Nasty. Looks like the model number. Maybe it's always interesting. Let's see, can we see it? Yeah, that's unfortunate. It's all smudged in oil or gas or whatever has gotten under here and just sort of melted this off. If anybody has any insight as to what this might be, manufactured in McKenzie, Tennessee. Looks like the zip code in USA. But yeah, I just can't make out. Maybe one or two numbers of the serial number, but no model number and no manufacturing date that I can read. That's too bad. Well, good enough for now. We'll put that back in. It's just got your basic throttle lock here. Start and go. So on further examination here, we see we have some engine information, 195 cc's, engine family info, engine model, date of manufacturer 1127J, California emissions limits 2006. So sometime after that. We actually have an electric starter. I just noticed that, and you can see the key. It's missing all the wiring harness. I imagine this was for a battery pack at one time. So yeah, like I said, we'll take her out, give it a start. Starts with 20%. 20% starts 20% easier. Then what? It wasn't that easy. So, all right. So let's clean this off a little bit and see if we can cut some grass. Jeez. Wow. Wow. Well, at least it's less likely to catch on fire now. Summertime, white wine. So, yeah, just make sure the oil's all right. It's got gas. It's about half full. So what I'm going to do is just give this guy about 20 pumps. We'll lock it. Start. There you go. Scotts Lawnmower. Yeah, nothing too remarkable about it. Half its accessories are missing, but does it cut grass? Yes, it cuts grass. So we'll send it to the field, put it to work. Everybody have a great summer. Cheers, stay warm, and stay healthy. Ciao.